Hello friends, in the series of BSc IPF, I welcome you all. We are talking about India Inside Book. It is a report by Macquarie, which is a private company. So there is a separate playlist on our YouTube channel where we have discussed about the various sectors, a transition from macro to micro. So the investors who wants to know in detail about it can check out our YouTube channel. There is a separate playlist on economic survey also. One can check out. It is an initiative by BSc IPF and SEBI because they want a small investor to get empowered with the knowledge, with the information. Once a small investor is having the information, then he is able or he is in the position, he or she is in the position to take the decision in the right way, in the right direction. Let us try to see where are the opportunities or the opportunities in various sectors. So far in this report, we have discussed about the GDP per capita, then the workforce in our country and the impact of the positive impact of that workforce on the economy, government finances, the capital expenditure is increasing, monetary and external indicators, how the financial inclusion is happening, how the Jandan made the revolution, the NPA is one of the alarming bell, digital dream of our country, the contribution of softwares and the information technology in the world's service area, energy, the petroleum products or the LPG or the LNG or the opportunity in the discom companies or in the consumer electrification companies. Also, we have discussed about infrastructure, and the topic about which we will be talking is agriculture. In the major population still stays in rural part and they are dependent on agriculture, though the contribution of agriculture in India's GDP have reduced drastically, but still more number of people are dependent on it. When we talk about the India's crop acreage, which is essentially not changed for the last 15 years, one of the major reason is the land holding capacity of each individual is reducing. So we can see in this graph that the land holding capacity from 2006 to 2016 it have reduced, and the important factor that area under acreage or the cropped area which have not changed for last 20 years or for last 15 years. Population is increasing, but this area is not changing. Still the yield is improving. Why? Because the factors or the external factors, fertilizers, the equipments, the technology which the farmers are using is increasing the yield. So we can see this share of irrigation. Irrigation is one of the major thing which is improving the yield from independence. This share of irrigated land have tripled that we have done nice in the sector of irrigation. Crop yield production, we can see it here. When we do the yield comparison between the India and South Asia and the world, uh, when we talk about wheat, our production is more than South Asia, and we are very much our numbers are competitive with the world. But for rice, for coral cereals, for pulses, our production is either equivalent to the South Asia or lesser than them. We can see it here that consumption of fertilizers, when we do a comparison with China, that long way to go here also. That the fertilizer consumption, it is a kgs per hectare of arable land. So these numbers are of 2016, but the numbers will be in comparison according to the according to this only, but there is a huge room for it. So the equipments, whether it is tractor or the electric pumps or the other agricultural equipments, so the companies which are, because the population will increase, so we need to do a lot of technological changes or the changes in agriculture to remain competitive, to provide the to supply the food grains and the food to the population. So there will be huge opportunities in this sector because government is trying a lot to empower the rural part of our country. So tractors, electric pumps, electric equipments or the equipments and the fertilizers, equipments related to irrigation, there will be opportunity in this sector, but fundamental analysis is important. Thank you very much for liking our session. Don't forget to write your name along with email address in the comment section. The same topic is there in Marathi and you can check out our YouTube channel. Thank you.